Okay guys, you seen us in the ditches, you seen us having some fun. What you didn't see was me breaking my sled. I might have hit something a little tough. Call these RPM Composite skids. They're carbon fiber, they look pretty durable. That's pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's pretty thick. We're not sponsored by these guys. We don't even know if they're really that good, but I'm gonna put it on because I got nothing covering my brake rotor. So yeah, we'll slap these on. We'll see how they go, guys.
What? Safety first.
We already did some minor repairs. We bent some shit back. All right, guys. Well, we got her done. We got her covered up. She's looking a lot better. RPM Composite. Didn't fit the greatest, but we made her work. Let's get riding, boys.
Alright guys, so basically we're trying to get through this river so that we can go see if there's a little bit more snow in one of our spots that we like to go play in, but looking at things right now, it's not really the greatest conditions. That crust kills it though, eh? Alright guys, check this out. I know it looks like we're only riding in 2 feet of snow, but looks are deceiving. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens when you give her a little too much gas and not enough brakes. This doesn't look too bad. That was my handlebars, baby. My handlebars folded. They're folded right into the fucking dash. Sometimes you gotta make it. There you go. Oh yeah, there you go. There's a big turn. You alright? Oh, peeled some skin. That made a difference. We're gonna wrap the video up there. Pretty solid day. Not as much snow as we would have liked, but it is what it is. Still got out, still had fun. Doing the last checkup on the RPM Composite skid, it held up just as much as the review said, so pretty good product, man. We're not sponsored, we're just simply using it and giving you guys the real deal review on it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You guys like the videos, you like the content, stick around, there's gonna be more.